Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Today we'll be talking about the English language. What I say we'll be doing today?
English language.
And today's topic we'll be talking about phonetic sound. Phonetic sound. What I say?
Phonetic sound.
Phonetic sound. But before we go further, is any among you can pronounce the word for us?
I, sir. I, sir. I, sir. I, sir.
Yes, you.
The number 1 is Joe.
Okay.
The number 2 is Ewe. 3 is her. Number 4 is listing.
Jesus.
Number 5 is teacher.
Sure.
All right. You try.
I fear you. I see how you take no say that na Joe.
Now go to the board.
That's not the like.
Show yourself. Put for the board for you.
It's okay. Then mix that. Yes.
Make her talk her correct.
Please go ahead.
But one so if you observe her well, clear. You go know say that one na Juliet. You know say for English language you get using the package am. So the word Juliet too long. This is so now they can say make the turn out to Julie. So that number 1 so na Julie. Second one that E so that one na Ewe. You know say for robo like this you get Ewe. You get some English.
Go ahead. I'm listening. Go ahead.
See if I blow your
go
mind.
Ahead.
So teacher, as I was saying before the cockroach jump in. So that one so that Ewe so they do bear so now Ewe be that one. So if you can't go that one so now her not even hair. You because now he hair because now just tell say hair fire. You think that one hair fire that so hair which one be hair now her. So teacher follow up that number 4 so now listing only show you don't go school again now listing nothing does that it just did like that. So the number 5 so teacher now teacher as you dey teach so no say teacher
it's okay. It's okay.
I know say I get that correct.
It's okay. All right. So let me pronounce the word for you then.
Okay, I better continue.
Number 1 is do. Good. Number 2 is you. What's it?
You.
Good. That is a transcription there. It is you. Why number 3 is not her but hair. But I say hair.
Hey.
Say hair.
Hey.
Mister, I'm not hearing your voice. Say hair.
Hey.
Good. Number 4 is listen. Again?
Listen.
No. Listen. Listen. Because the T is silent.
Hey. I hear me.
Good. Number 5 is what? Teacher.
Teacher.